Another day, another story. In this video, we'll introduce you to two amazing websites. A terrific website that allows you to download all of your fundamental software with just one click. If you've ever set up a new computer or updated your operating system, you know how time-consuming it can be to download and install each software manually. Nanite eliminates all of that bother by allowing you to select from a selection of popular apps and then installing them all at once. The website is extremely user-friendly and gives a list of regularly used software, such as web browsers, media players, antivirus software, and more. All you have to do is choose the apps you wish to download and click Get Your Nanite to begin the installation procedure. Second website. Selecting the correct font can make or break any design project. Whether it's for a website, a logo, a billboard, or anything else. Nevertheless, with so many typefaces available, it might be difficult to select the ideal one. That's where MyFonts comes in. It's a website that allows you to pick the perfect font for any project by just uploading a picture or entering some text. You may find what the fonts on a website by uploading your image and selecting the text. Be sure to check out this website. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.